All right. This time I'm getting some measurement instruments in my use. I think I have bought and used oscilloscope. I paid 100 for it, but I got interested in it because it is a digital oscilloscope, an old one. But whoever ordered it, they were not cheap, and there's parallel port card, serial port card, GPIB bus connector, and even VGA video out connector board. So it is rather well equipped. And my guess is that it has been in some kind of test bench. Then what it is, it is Tektronix TDS 340. That is 100 megahertz and 500 kilo samples per second. And it seems that before removal, it has been calibrated in 2015, week 40. That is just good for me. And whoever did, whatever they did, they lost one faceplate, but it doesn't matter. I don't care. Two input channels. Then I got also this generic test probes. They can do this switch between times 1 or times 10. Just plain practical. Good enough. Just some kind of self tests for a while. And it seems that it can measure, and it tells us 4.72 volts. I bought myself just another multimeter that is I'd say cheap, Chinese made, but I do not see how I need uh, something super expensive, fancy stuff. So it is this one. The model is UT 890D. There are different variants available. This has just arrived. I do not know yet. Is it through RMS or fake one? But I paid less than $20. That is rather affordable, I'd say. Let's be diplomatic a little bit. Maximum display value 5,999. I was interested in this because this includes measurement of capacitance. Test probes are in this package. These are not bad, just ordinary. But this, some cover plugs. Here I see markings like maximum 20 amps. Well, this camera might not capture that. And marking the cat for 600 volts. Okay. This kind of support. That's practical. In order to access battery, there's a screw in this hole. This is surrounded with some kind of impact protecting soft plastic shell or so. Well, it's not slippery. That's good. Is there a battery inside? Oh, they gave a battery. That's nice. Yeah, 0 ohms. Good. When one chooses something cheap like this, I'm usually suspicious. Let's try this rechargeable battery cell. Rather realistic. How about this one? just okay. I'm measuring uh, onboard regulator, and that voltage is rather close to 5 volts on this Ethernet shield over here. As we can see, there is transistor measurement. Of course, AC amps, DC amps. I am not very confident that one should measure 20 amps with this kind of multimeter, but it is there, and there's some kind of frequency counter. I think it is for something that is TTL level or so. So you can approximate how many pulses per second. Well, diode measurement. Ohms. I think from 0 to 60 mega ohms. And here is a even position for transistor measurement, HFE. Well, multimeter is a multimeter. Hold. Whoa, backlight. That is good. And this was rather direly needed for my own use because many can remember over 10 years ago when you had very little money, people were or unwilling to spend, people were sold things like these. Very, very basic, but it can show voltage and resistance. It's it's not broken, but it is rather slow. Oh, and these test leads are degrading totally. Like I'll try to show this plastic has become hard and it is like a spring. Totally, totally crappy test leads. Yeah, no, no more of this. So I don't know if I need two or more multimeters in some projects, but I needed better one. A 100 microfarad part. There's some auto range function going on. Okay, not bad. Very well realistic measurement result.